Who is going to take your interview now? Pritesh?
Yes.
Yeah, Pritesh, please come in.
Yeah, thank you. Can I take a chair?
Sorry?
Can I take a chair?
Yeah, Pritesh. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Yeah, Pritesh. Can I see your resume?
Yeah.
Can you tell me something about yourself?
Yes. My name is Pritesh Damania. I passed out my BCom graduation in the year 1996 from Mumbai University. Currently, I am working with VFS Global Services Private Limited as a manager finance, and I am reporting to VP Finance.
Okay.
And I am handling a team of 20 people under me.
Right.
And regarding my family background, I have 7 members in my family: my father, mother, my wife, my daughter, and my brother.
Okay, Pritesh, good. Okay, what have you observed till now? Hello, what have you observed?
First thing when he,
So one at a time.
first thing when he entered, he asked for the chair.
So that is good or not?
That is
Good.
good.
Ah, so good. I am very happy you are giving some positive for the start. Okay, that's one. Second.
He introduced himself as well as his family background also.
Okay, he introduced himself very well. Correct. What else have you observed?
Negative point.
Yeah.
He didn't wish you actually.
He didn't
Yeah.
wish. Yeah.
Okay.
So good morning. That's a general gesture.
Okay.
Not that you have to really bend and wish, but you can
At
wish
least
good
good
evening.
evening.
Yeah, at least good evening. What else?
Yes.
What else did you observe?
He told so much that you didn't ask him.
Okay, yeah, he told too much in detail,
Too much.
right? Yeah. So he was going to tell blood group of his family members also. Unless I stop. By the way, this is the only opportunity you are getting to see other people getting interviewed, right? So be very observant, right? How many of you have ever got any such opportunity to see other people getting interviewed? Never, right? Yeah, and nobody gets an opportunity to get us so much feedback, right?
Okay.
So good. Let's utilize this opportunity. What else? What else did you observe? Many things to observe. How did he enter? Was okay or not okay?
It was not the door.
Okay, knocking the door is fine, but
Can I come in?
yeah. So can
But
I?
actually, you
only said,
told
please come.
Yeah. So how was his entry? I'm not telling you
You
anything.
are not feeling comfortable when you entered.
He was little nervous, right? Little bit in a hurry to come. Correct? Yeah. Also, the way he adjusted to the chair was little difficult, right? He was struggling little bit. Thoda sa, right? You could have just straightly, very smartly, just opened this, yes, settled yourself, and then closed it.
Okay.
Clear? That was one.
Yeah.
Also, when you were speaking, Pritesh, you were speaking very fast.
Okay.
Correct?
Okay.
Yeah. So you were trying to kind of hurry up. In that hurry up, you are saying that you are nervous. So because you are hurrying up, I may not notice that you are hurrying up, but I get a feeling that you are nervous. So that's the communication anybody will get. Clear? Yeah, that's important. What else? His English was good. 5 to 7 lines about yourself, your name, which company do you work, what designation, since how long, and total professional experience that you have, where do you stay, your educational qualification, 1 line about your family member, right? And any one thing extra that you want to say. That's all. 5 to 6 lines, and that's all. Because a HR manager, now I don't know what is really in the industry, but I can tell you from my experience of taking interview of hundreds and hundreds of people and me working in corporates for 12 years, that an HR manager generally just wants to know highlights about yourself, right? And if the HR manager wants to know anything else than what you have said, then just he or she will ask you, tell me more about your family, tell me more about your experience, tell me more about your education, then you need to expand. Tell me what is the reason for this question. Tell me something about yourself. What is the purpose of this question?
How effectively you can explain yourself.
How effectively you can explain yourself. What is the purpose of this?
Superficial knowledge about that person.
Yeah, not superficial or key highlights.
Yeah, key highlights.
Right? Yeah, key highlights. What else is the purpose of this question? Right, this is the standard question. First question always in an interview.
Yes,
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So what is this? What is the purpose? What is the objective?
You have belong from good background. Yeah, you have
What is the purpose of this question only?
For
Yeah.
comfortable
Uh-huh.
that background is for comfortability of that candidate.
Yeah, correct. So it is actually called the icebreaker question. Icebreaker means what? You have just come in. You just came in, right? I can't directly talk to you about your salary expectation or about your job or about your experience, right? I want to make you comfortable. At the same time, what have you observed? When he is talking, who is observing? Who is observing? Have you any time observed if two people are communicating and one is